Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I repaired this Mielex power air fryer. Let's get into it. Okay, firstly remove the tray, let's flip it over. We've got 5 screws at the bottom base. Sorry about the sound guys, I lost the original audio. Okay, just underneath here we've got the actual switch for the tray, where as soon as you put the tray in it closes the circuit so that the power can come on. This could be the issue of power fryer not coming on. As you can see, there's the switch. So as it goes in, pushes in and closes the circuit. Let's replace this with the new one and hopefully that solves the problem. If you guys need the code for the specific model, there it is. Okay, I'm just going to put it back together, try and see if it works off camera. Okay, unfortunately it did not work. Alright, so let's go deeper. We're going to take these 4 screws out, just underneath where the tray goes. Okay, from there, we're going to take this base plate off. Just be careful that your wires underneath. Again guys, I do not recommend doing this if you don't have any understanding of electronics and stuff like that. Rather let someone that knows what they're doing do it. Okay, again there's another 4 screws here. Let's take it off and this lid pops off. Okay, there we have the motor. Okay, the red wire here you see me holding, this is attached to the thermal fuse, which we're going to replace next, and hopefully that is the problem of this unit. To do that, we're going to take another 4 screws off, holding these together. And there is the element. Okay, another 4 screws to release that steel plate. Okay, I did this in reverse. I should have taken the elements off first, but you can do it this way if you want. It just made it a little bit more difficult. So all I needed was the vice grip to hold the top and the key to just loosen off the bottom. Now once I had it loosened, I could just use my fingers to take it off. Okay, here it is, taking off the elements. Very simple, 3 screws holding it in place. Okay, flip it over, just unplug the elements, and the element should slide right out. There's a clamp holding in the fuse down to the steel plate. Make sure you unloosen that so you can get access to that. Slide the sleeve right off and you will see the thermal fuse. I have researched how if you need to solder. Apparently you don't need to solder. You can just go ahead and cut it and twist the wires together with the new one. There it is if you guys need the code. Okay, there you go. Just twisting it on. Did check it out. Just make sure you cut off any excess wires so that you can get the sleeve back on. Okay, then just make sure you put the sleeve back on. No, none of the wires are exposed. And we're going to cover this all back up and hopefully get it running. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Let's plug it in. And there you have it. It's working now. Test on the temperatures. Timer's fine. Temperature fine. And it runs. Again, sorry about the sound, guys. I lost the original audio. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe it can help you.